Hello, day 4, and I'm not here to lose today, okay? Let me take you to my goddamn screen. Start recording. एंड बाय द वे आज मैंने एक बढ़िया वेबसाइट खोज के निकाली। ओ शिट, क्या रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है? डिस्प्ले कैप्चर हो रहा है ना रिकॉर्ड? भाई रुको, दोबारा स्टार्ट करना है। या स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग। आज मैंने देखो एक बढ़िया खोज के निकाली है एक वेबसाइट। इसको बोलते हैं impromptu थोड़ी एस्थेटिक है, टॉपिक्स भी मेरे को बढ़िया लगे। एंड आज मैं कॉपी किताब लेके बैठा हूँ। आज मैं बकचोदी नहीं करूँगा कल की तरह। We are not playing this game to lose, we are playing this game to win, okay? So generate the goddamn topic और मुझे क्लॉक भी लगानी पड़ेगी. What is the most underrated skill in today's world? मेरे को फटाफट से क्लॉक खोलने दो. By the way, speaking is very important if you want to excel in life because you will accomplish nothing अगर तुम अच्छे से बात करना नहीं जानते हो. So you also should participate in this thing and you should also tag me. So we are both accountable, you know, because I am doing it every single day. So हम 1 मिनट का टाइम लेंगे for our topic, which is what is the most underrated skill in today's world. Okay. Oh no, shit. माइक कहाँ गया? माइक से आवाज आ रही है नहीं आ रही? शिट शिट. I think I know it already. I'm the goat, bro. I'm the goat. यार माइक चुत गया पूरा, but it's okay. I'm ready to be honest. We'll start, okay? What is the most underrated skill in today's world? चलो ठीक है, मेरा 1 मिनट का टाइमर हो गया, मेरे को बोलना है। स्टॉप वॉच का है। कल हमने कहा था इतनी देर के लिए, आज हम ज़्यादा बोलेंगे फॉर श्योर, यू विल सी। उसके लिए दिक्कत ही नहीं है। टॉपिक क्या था फिर से मैं भूल गया। Underrated skill in today's world. Okay. The most underrated skill in today's world is actually speaking. This might come off as a bit weird because speaking is something we do on a regular basis. There is nothing new about it. A kid learns speaking from the age of 2 years old and they do it for the rest of their life. The reason I say this is the most underrated skill is because there is a difference between simply speaking and being a well articulated speaker who can put his thoughts into words more efficiently. The reason this becomes very important is because every single day, so many people miss out on various opportunities in terms of various different aspects of their life, which is love, which is work, which is maybe missing out an opportunity which could have changed their life forever. I'll give you an example. I have a friend, a very dear friend, who lost the love of his life all because he was not able to communicate well. You might find it funny, but he was actually raised in a household where communication was not something people prioritized much. So it was very difficult for him to actually put his thoughts and his emotion into words, and that costed him his the love of his life. He also lost various interview rounds. He's a very intelligent guy, and he was told that you should really work on your communication skills. So, yes, I feel the most underrated skill in today's world is actually speaking. Yes! आज 2 मिनट ऑलमोस्ट टच कर दिया। कल से बेटर था, बहुत बेटर था, ठीक है, बहुत बेटर था, बहुत बेटर था, बहुत बेटर था। आई वोंट इवन हेयर एनीथिंग। मैं सुनूंगा भी नहीं कमेंट्स में अगर किसी ने कुछ उल्टा बोला तो। कल से बहुत बेटर था, बहुत 10,000 टाइम्स बेटर था कल से, बहुत बेटर था। टॉपिक मस्त है भाई, ये क्या क्या प्यारी वेबसाइट है ब्रो, सच अ कूल वेबसाइट ब्रो, प्लीज। ओ माय गॉड, मजा आ गया भाई। क्या टॉपिक दिया इसने बात करने के लिए, मजा आ गया। फन, इट वाज फन, मजा आ गया। लेट्स गो। Could have been better, definitely. I'm not saying it was the best, but it was better than last 2 days. I was sucking ass last के 2 दिन में, and आज I did better. समवेयर अराउंड द फर्स्ट डे मैंने ठीक करा था, आज भी मैंने अच्छा करा है, ठीक है, आई वॉन, द स्कोर इज ऑफिशियली 2-2 एंड आई वोंट हेयर अ सिंगल वर्ड एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस टुमारो. You also please do this thing, tag me, let me know, DM me on Instagram, drop down a comment, maybe let me see you do it. And yeah, I hope it was helpful. That's it.